Struggling with Tide? Exploring alternative shores for your business banking. Ever feel like your business bank account is holding you back? You're not alone. Traditional banks can be slow, clunky, and packed with hidden fees. That's where challenger banks like Tide came in, promising a smoother, more digital experience. But what if Tide itself isn't quite the perfect fit anymore? The world of business banking is vast, and there are plenty of exciting options waiting to be explored. So, buckle up, business owners, because we're diving deep into the best alternatives to Tide. Identifying your needs, charting your course. Before we set sail, let's take a quick inventory. What are your business's biggest banking needs? Are you a freelancer who craves international transactions? A growing startup hungry for expense management tools? A seasoned entrepreneur seeking a dedicated account manager? Knowing your priorities will help us navigate the sea of options and find the perfect alternative. Here are some key factors to consider. Transaction fees. Every penny counts, especially for small businesses. Look for accounts with transparent fee structures and consider your average monthly transaction volume. International support. Do you need to send or receive payments overseas? If so, international transfer fees and exchange rates become crucial. Features and integrations. Do you crave invoicing tools, expense management dashboards, or seamless integration with your accounting software? Prioritize features that streamline your financial workflows. Customer support. Running a business is a roller coaster. Reliable and responsive customer support can be a lifesaver when you hit a snag. Casting a wide net, exploring the alternatives. Now that we've charted our course, let's explore some of the most compelling alternatives to Tide. Starling Bank. This UK-based challenger boasts a user-friendly interface, low fees, and a strong focus on security. They offer international payments and integrations with popular accounting software. However, for US-based businesses, Starling might not be the most accessible option. Wise, formerly TransferWise, isn't a traditional bank, but its multi-currency accounts and competitive exchange rates make it a game-changer for businesses with international transactions. It also offers local bank details for receiving payments in multiple currencies. Keep in mind, Wise might not be the best fit for businesses needing traditional features like check deposits. Brex. If you're a high-growth startup, Brex might be your dream come true. They offer corporate credit cards, expense management tools, and integrations with popular business tools. However, Brex caters primarily to established companies with significant funding, so it might not be ideal for smaller businesses. Ramp. Another strong contender for startups is Ramp. Their corporate cards and bill pay features offer robust budgeting and expense management tools. Like Brex, Ramp targets companies with a certain level of traction, so it might not be the best fit for a solopreneur. Mercury. This US-based challenger offers a sleek interface, integrations with popular accounting tools, and fee-free ACH transfers. However, their international payment options are still under development, so keep that in mind if you have global needs. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The perfect alternative to Tide depends entirely on your specific needs. Don't be afraid to research different options, compare features and fees, and even consider opening accounts with multiple providers if it makes financial sense. The final harbor, choosing your perfect fit. By now, you should have a clearer picture of the best alternatives to Tide. Remember, the ideal bank account should be an extension of your business, seamlessly integrating with your workflows and supporting your financial goals. So, weigh your options carefully, chart your course, and find the perfect harbor for your business banking needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.